Okay. So guys, assalamu alaikum for everyone. Firstly, this is free SHMS Dasmus lesson by me. Guys, Muhlisa or Shojahan Lesbek. Kim ana shu multfilmni ko'rgan guys? You can speak your voice or you can open your chat. Who is this cartoon? You, I can't really remember. No. Shojahan. Also, I never watched this movie, but I like this girl face. So guys, today I will show you mostly like Desmos questions and some by hand and via Desmos questions. So let's start. First question is some kind of very barely question. Is this one? Mukhlis or others, guys, have approach for this kind of question via Desmos. Do you have any ideas, guys, how we can approach with Desmos? Here asking about what's the value of t. And we have information, we have function, and function, and then gx is equal for t. Here, guys, I please try to open your Desmos. We'll start with Desmos. I'll open my Desmos screen right now. Yeah. The first things, guys, просто copy qilinglar shu berilgan narsasini. You don't need to put, guys, x index bermang firstly. Just to copy your all the acquisition. You write gx. By the way, guys, you can even put fx7. It doesn't matter for Desmos. gx equal for sqrt x1 11. Guys, my screen is visible for you. 45. Okay, look, the first one I did. Inama ikinchisi bor ekan, function beribdi. Buni ham просто hech qanday indeks ko'chiraman. One. Bu ko'p ekan. You can write c b article sida bo'ldi ko'p chiqarib beradi. You can write 6 4 and plus with the x square divided by 2. Okay, biza qildik. Endi bizga bergan information bor. G 8 ekan, bu teng t ekan. What the value of h was t? Bu yerga h yozasiz. Yumshoq h o'zbekchasiga. И bu yerda g ni kiritasiz, chunki g kimdan keyin ekan? T sida 8 ga teng bo'lgani uchun bu yerda просто t ni o'rniga 8 yozsangiz bo'ldi. So now, guys, you can see mana shu value will be answer 31. It will be 31. Guys, is it goachable for you? Hojakbar, Mukhlisa, others, people? Yeah. So the first question we done, and the second question, guys, is much more funny. Is it quadratic function question? Now I will do visible this one for you. So with the discriminant question, we have height, feet, other objects. And guys, I wanna give you one information for you. Always remember, mashina question kelganda sizda time, always your time will be x value, always, and your feet above other will be y value. Okay, bizda bu the time bor ekan 9 sekund, and the object is 294. Okay, endi ikkinchi marta aytyapti, yana bizda 13 sekund bor, is our time x value and y ni beribdi. Okay, good. And the last information here, you can see if the object was at a height of 24 when it was launched. Okay, qarang, bu yerda y ni beribdi xolos. What's the height in fate object? Qarang, mana shu yerda savol so'rabdi. Mana shu 18 sekund bo'lganda after being launched, so we have to find our y because bizda time berilgan, bizda y ni bermayapti hozir. Again, guys, you will open your beautiful Desmos. Now I also will be open my beautiful Desmos. Here we'll write. Guys, my screen is visible for you. One comment. Okay. So first we should write table because the x y bar. And here, guys, you have information. Bizda aytish to time always will be x value. Bu 9. Bun y 294. Okay, we done this one. As another information as in about it 13 seconds. Is x value bun y 310. Okay, qarang, bizda 3 informatsiya faqat y berilgan. But when launched bo'lyapti, qachon launch degani it means sizni start time is 0 bo'lgan. It means your start time it will be 0. You can put here 0 and one will be just 24. Okay, because it is quadratic function, siz mana shuni vertexni bersangiz bo'ldi. Biz sizdan so'rayapti qachon bo'lganini, haytini, tipasini. You write, but try to with index number y1 tilde a x1 minus k square and plus height. Okay, biza chiqardi. Endi biza aytgan, что mana bu time ya'ni biz time berayotgani uchun x1 ga просто yo'lash x qilib равно 18 ekanda. And look guys, bizdan y so'rayotgan chiqasi tepasiga here you can see pointini qo'ysangiz bu 18 bor. It means guys our answer will be which number guys? Can you tell me? We can open the voice and say something. Yeah, it's a formula of vertex. Yes, Shojahan. Actually, because the quadratic function, so shunga siz vertex formula ishlashingiz kerak. This is why we call vertex formula. So guys, our answer will be this one, 240 is a D option. So, the next question, guys, are you ready for the next question? Silence also yes, so we can say yep, good. The first question, is it visible for everyone? But then we can see the function that it can minus x plus b, where a is b is a constant numbers. Okay. Keyin grafda tot minus 5 yoki minus 15. Qarang, sizda bu y intersum so'rayotgan bo'lsa, demak bizada ximiz 0. I bu siz x ni berib qo'ygan. X your 0. Y mana shu chiroyli number. And product a and b. Product means умножение, ko'paytirish. Bu tengga mana shu 65 taqsim etiga. What's the value of a? We have to find our a value. Okay. Nahot o'qib oldik, biz shuni desmasiga qo'yib ko'ramiz. You open again, guys. 1 minute, I will check the comment section. We'll start. I will delete this one. Delete all. And look, guys, we have beautiful our bracket. Bu skobkan chiroylisi, you can put tilde in bracket. Qarang, birinchi information sizga aytgan minus x plus b qilib. Va qarang, siz x is 0 teng bo'lgani uchun minus a сразу x ni o'rniga 0 yozavering. It's up to you. So and plus b. Qarang guys, shu yerda sizga aytib ketgan. Mana bu fx da fx bor ravno mana shu chiroyli raqamga bo'lgan minus 15 demaysiz. Mana bu o'rniga b dan keyin minus 15 yoza olasiz. Here you can see guys this information. fx bu yerda bo'lsa, sizga aytgan bu. fx mana bu fx sizda mana bu bo'lgan informationni bu yerga qo'ydik biz. Biz shu yerda minus 15 ni qo'yib qo'ysak bo'ldi. And we done. Mana shu bizda teng ekan minus 99 taqsim 7 ga. Okay. By the way guys, here comma with the tilde qo'ydik. I will do 1 minute, clear my drawings and let's start. Bu yerga comma qo'yadi, because information'ni tugatib bo'ldi. Ikkinchisi уже sizda minus 999 divided by 7. Okay, we're done. Again, comma. And then with the ikkinchi information. Ikkinchi information bo'lgan. The product A and B is it means равно. Okay. Qarang, bu yerda product degan uchun просто A multiplication B qiling. Or you can write just this kind as well. It doesn't matter. Va bu sizga teng bo'lgan 65 divided by 7. Okay, we're done. Bizda nima so'ragan? N so'raganmidi? So it means our answer will be just 5. Guys, this one is goachable for you. Can you write yep or no? If no, I will explain again. Yeah, thank you. Strawberry I have put. So another question, guys, we'll move forward. 1 minute, I will check again one more time. Gotcha. If a gotcha is a good, we can, guys, say gotchable. The next confirmation here, this one is a circle question. Guys, kim circle question formulasini bilmaydi? Look at someone who doesn't know about the circle formula. Xo'sh, bizga centerni beribdi 3 and minus 7. Radiusi 12 ekan. Equation of the circle is bir bo'ladi yozib bergan chiroyli raqam. Is also a circle of question. И вот это что? Our A, B, C is a constant. What's the value of C? Okay, we have to find our C value. Endi qarang. Shu yerda mo'sh siz bilmaysiz circle formulasini nima provide qilib qo'yganman. You can see this one. Circle formula standard form. H bilan K it means your center circle. Bizda H bilan K bizda mana 3 bilan means bizda center bo'lgan. Our H and K. Va bizning radiusimiz bu yerda 12 bo'lgan. Okay. Qarang, hammasi bu yerda square da ketyapti. Square and radius also square. Bu yerda round tashqarida plus bo'lib turibdi. Okay, bu questionni prostagina desmosni ochasizda. Polностью qo'shib chiqasiz. Faqat guys, question bizda x y so'ramayotgani uchun graph question emas. So it means you have to write index numbers. Siz formulaga qo'yib olasiz. x1 it will be minus 3. Square kirgani uchun minus qilib yozdik. A square, don't forget about square, plus y index bu yerda minus bo'lgani uchun bu plus 7 bo'ladi. Okay, we're done. Square and I will do minus 12 ni square ni qilib keting yoki 12 ni siz square ni bilsangiz, kvadratdan bilsangiz bu 144 bo'ladi. Yeah. Qarang, mana shu bizda equationda tenglab bergan mana istivoti, ya'ni уже равно degani x plus y lar tenglab bergan va bizda raqamlari ham bor, a, b, c lar ham bor. Again guys, you will write tilde. Yosh berilgan просто qo'shib chiqasiz. With index, don't forget please. Plus y index square x plus b y index and plus c. Nol kerak emas, chunki biz уже tilda qo'yib bordik. Endi look. I will do visible this question. Men berdim. Mana C1 turibdi. Lekin men hozir x ga indeksni y ga indeks berganim uchun you should give random number. X1 you write random. Qo'lga yozayotgan raqamingizni bering. For example, I love 99. Yeah, I did. And for y1, y index, again I will write random. Hozir boshqa raqam bering. For example, I will give 98. Okay. O'zim nima so'ragan? Sen topirgan what? C will be just minus 86. Buni qilish, bu question ishlashingiz uchun siz bu yerda mana bu standard formni ham bilib olishingiz kerak. Is very foundation of the SAT. Yeah. And that's all. You can see my decimals as well. Guys, this question is gotchable for you. Can you tell something or can you write something, please? Randomly horses yuzdan bir ko'ring. It will be work always. You can give even the same number. 100. One more time, okay? Which one you couldn't understand? Can you clarify me, please? Formula? This one? If you see the first formula, look. Bizda bu yerda centerni bergan our 3 and minus 7. Bittasi h, bittasi k. Bu yerda skobka ichiga kirayotganida znak o'zgaradi. Minus bo'lsa plus, plus bo'lsa minus. And I did this thing. 3 manda plus edi, minus qilib oqirdim. It was minus 7, I did plus 7. Square bo'lganga almashadi. Hozir skobkadan tashqariga o'tgan ovozsiz, masalan, qilishingiz mumkin. Like 1 minus 2 0 ten olsangiz, bu yerda уже x 3 bo'lib chiqib keladi. Okay. Bu yerda 144 manda bu 12 ni kvadrati bu yerda 12 ni 144 bo'ladi. You can even write my girl just 144 qilmasdan ham просто 12 ko'rib tizamlaradi. It doesn't change. Men просто kvadratni bilganim uchun I wrote 144. Shundan keyin sizda bu yerda is degan, is it means равно. И men index raqam berganim uchun I write tilde, not равно. Ay hozir bu yerda равно qilib qo'ysam, desimiz tushunmaydi. What is this ABC deydi. You have to write tilde. Keyin tenglab bergan uchun men shuni ko'chirib chiqdim. И bu nimaga равно 0 yozmadim? Chunki menda уже men tilde qo'yib bo'lganman. Hozir bu yerga yana tilde 0 qilib qo'yadi, qanaqa bo'ladi qo'shini. Umuman desimiz tushunmaydi. Равно 0 qilaman. No. Can't understand. Nimaga random raqam berdim? Desimiz tushuntirib, chunki bu men indeks qo'yganimda u noma'lum raqam berdi. Shu men randomdan bera olsam desimizga. Men voldan chiqaverish uchun A ni, B ni va C ni. En guys paytdan sizda bitta ham raqamni bu aytmagan, что pozitivni, negativni demagan ABC ni. Just this they wrote constants. И вот chiqib keldi raqamlari. Is it goachable for you right now? If not, I will try again by heart for you to explain. Can you say something, please? By the way, are you Uzbek? Yeah, so thank you. Because I'm doing mixed language right now to understand for everyone. Okay, I will delete this my pictures for drawing. So the next question again, guys, I will use my beautiful bracket. This one. Guys, do you know how to solve this question? By decimals or by another way, by hand, Hochikibar or Raze or someone? Here's the asking question, what's the value of B plus C? See guys, başına question ko'rgan, siz fiction aytaman, fiction bor. Ravnoni ko'rib olasiz. Demak, siz bu yerda ikkovi tanlovsiz bo'ladi bracketga. Have something comments? Yeah, project partner. So let's go. Başına question kelib olsa, ekzamenda bir desimiz ochingda bracket yo'lda сразу ovaring buni. You write bracket, our beautiful skobka, tilde bracket. Birinchi skobkaga mana boshda berilgan beginning qilaman, ikkinchisiga ravnodan keyingisini beraman. You'll write 2a square plus 3a. Va bu koma aytmasa yana berasiz. Va bu teng bo'lgan 45 45 plus b plus c. We done. Again comma, the last information. Oxirgi informatsiyaga koma qo'shish shart emas, unisi tushunmaydi desmiz qo'yibsiz. B plus C square and divided by 4. Buni ham tenglab berasiz. Uzun numberga 20a. Bizdan nimani so'ragan? Bizda B plus C so'raganmi? Okay. B plus C. It will be just 20. Guys, is it goachable how to approach for this easy question? This kind of question, guys, can be appear on module 1. Module 2'da tushmasin. Umuman tushmasin module 2'da. Should be only module 1. Deal for everyone, guys? Okay. Thank you for answering. And guys, the most powerful question I prepared for you. I think you know this guy. Guys, do you know this man? What about others, boys? Do you know this man? Yes, a man, Habibi. Yeah. One of the rich, one of the like millionaire guy in the world. Okay, bizda bu yerda questionni aytyapti, ishlab beryapti. Qarang, bu questionni mostly guys don't know about how to put on decimals. Ko'pchilik qo'lda ishlaydi, o'zini vaqtini qiynab. Biz endi bu questionni guys просто decimals ishlaymiz. To'g'ri, bu yerda pozitiv ekan, hamma berilgan variablelar like our p, q, r and s lar. So'rayapti sizda which of the following is equivalent for 2q. Bizga q ga bilan berishimiz kerak. Bizda katta raqam 9 ekan. Yeah. If you see this kind of question, guys, you again open your Desmos. You write again all the information. Qarang, 49. 1 minute, I will do like switch off. Yeah. И bu yerda P degan. Ravno guys, mana shunaqa question bo'lib qolsa, you can put tilde. Ravno qo'ysangiz Desmos yani tushunmaydi. You have to put only tilde to identify your question, your answer very fast. Okay, endi ko'chirib chiqamiz 49. Guys, P ga tilde index berish shart emas. You will only give your index number for your x and y graph functions. Sorry, value. Q equal minus 49 divided by R. And then we have again minus 49 divided by S. Minus 49 divided by S. We're done. Guys, who can tell me like answer how to approach this question? Who has ideas? Someone said like I know the answer. Find Q. You guys will look for another one. Okay. Qarang. You can put even равно. Qarang, bizda aytgan 49 degan. You can give for your P, R and S ga любой mana shu 49 dan limitidan chiqmaydigan raqam berishingiz kerak. You write P is equal for example 10. R equalize classes is equal for 2. And you have S is equal for just again 10. Sizga berib ko'raman. Bilib qoldim endi. Qarang, sizga spesialni wrong answerni ko'rsatdim, ravno qo'ysangiz chiqmasligini. Tilda qo'ysangiz bu to'g'risi beradi volosini. Hozir mana Q da qanaqadir noma'lum raqam chiqdi. Endi keling mana shu optionimizda prямо Q ga mos bo'lishi kerak. For example, yozib ko'raman. P plus R plus S. Guys, 22 tengmi bu bizning Q'imizga? O'rta emasmi? Can you tell me? Or is it equal? No, actually it's not equal. Well, the A option is out. Endi men B option qilib ko'raman. 49 P plus R and plus S. Вот просто 500 ga chiqib ketdi. Again, it's not equal. Mana уже B is out. And the C1 PRS divided by PR plus PS and plus RS. So guys, you can see here bizani mana shu berilayotgani bizga Q bilan bir xil. It means our answer will be C. But anyway guys, biz hozir D ni ham chekib ko'ramiz. Mana shu o'zgarib qolar. Who knows? Here was 49 P from 49R and 49S. Now, guys, it means our answer will be just C. Peki hozir guys любой number bersangiz ham beraman. Masalan, men 13 beraman. Okay, men 2 o'rniga 5 beraman. Kontrolsin. Biz yani simbol yozib ko'rasiz, bir xil chiqadi yani sizda. R means also PS and RS. You can see guys, yana bizda Q bilan bir xil chiqyapti. Demak, bizda 100% our answer will be C. Guys, is it goachable for you how to approach for this beautiful question? Hojiakbar, Shohjahon, others, Muxlisa. Yes, good. If yes, I will move for another beautiful question. This one. Is this also model 1 question, not model 2? Bizdan so'rayotgani the whole price t-shirtniki $6,000 ekan. Bu regular price ekan guys. Va mana shu tenga 260% of whole price. Qarang, biz aytgan whole price bizga mana bunga teng bo'lsa, shuni regular price teng deyapti 260. Bizga keyin all unsold sotilmagan mana shu shortslari, kiyimlari discount 80% ga off bo'ldi. Guys, 2 off it means minus. Kim bizdan so'rayotgan mana shu offer regular price dan bo'lgan ekan. Goachable. Bizda so'rayapti what's the discount price. Guys, buni question eng oson yo'li you will approach by Desmos. and will be easy. I'll delete this one. Delete all. Keyin price degan uchun men kelib yoza olaman o'zimga. Teng qilamiz $260 ni. Menda regular price bu yerda necha bo'lgan? Menda $6000 bo'lgan. 6. Hozir 6 deb yozing yoki tochka qo'yib 00 qiling. It doesn't matter. Keyin ikkinchi information aytgan, bizda down bo'lgan ekan discount. Regular price bo'lgan uchun bizda regular price bu bizda mana bu полностью kirib ketadi ichiga. Demak, biz просто P yozasizda. P minus 80% of P. So guys, you can see here, bizda mana shu discount price'imiz teng bo'lar ekan 3.12 ga. Hozir mana shunaqa qilib yozing. Answer sheetga or you can write just with this. 78-85 ham yoza olasiz. It's up to you to choose the correct answer to your answer sheet. Hozir buni qo'lda ham tushuntirib beraman. To more understandable. O'zi 6000 price degan va buni teng bo'lgan protsentni chiqarib olsak, bu yerda 2.60. Okay. Bu yerdan ko'paytirganimizda bizga chiqdi 15.6. Okay. Bu shunda off bo'lgan down price bo'lgani uchun 1 minute of regular price. This one it was regular price. So here we'll do minus. Yazrat price'dan chiqarib olasiz 80. Mana shunga ko'paytirib olishingiz kerak because it was regular price. 5.6. Here we'll get our this answer. Discount price mana shuncha bo'lgan. Guys, is it goachable for you or no? Can you tell me please? We have last question. I hope last question will be your last. Yeah, you can do by hand or you can do by decimal. It's up to you. For mana shunga sizga ko'rsatdim both of them. By decimal as well and via hand way as well. Our the last question is a pyramid question, guys. This one. Who can read, guys, the question, please? Who can read? Kamala or Arza, can you read the question, please? Yeah, can you read for everyone, please? It means we have to find our height, yeah? Bizda demak right square pyramid ekan. Bu yerda qo'polni сразу picture'ini to find for imagine. Bizda total surface areasi I will do T S teng ekan 19200 ga. Okay. Bu yerda surface areasini ham bergan. Surface areasi ya'ni surface area of 4 literal face niki bizda teng ekan. I will write a literal face LT qilaman va bu teng 99 and 84. Okay. Qarang. Bizda mana shu base ni topishimiz uchun base va pastki qavatini topib olishimiz should do subscribe. It means you will do minus kimingda minus 984. Bu taqdirgan bo'lsangiz it will be around 9216. Qarang. Bu yerda bizda square degan uchun buni square ga olishingiz kerak. For example, square ga oladigan bo'lsangiz I will write for decimals. Mana shu raqamni yozib ko'raman. SQRT 9216. Bu bizda 96 ga. Your 96 it means your ages. Ya'ni sizda maytda 96 da bo'ladi. 96 и 96. Okay, we done. Biz o'z ejlarini topib oldik. I will do clear for the while. Endi qarang. We have bu yerda 96 bo'lgan bo'lsa 96 piramida shunaqa qo'shimlar bor. 2 taqsimladi. Bizda hozir saytimiz 96 bo'lgani uchun you have to do 96 ni taqsim 2 qilasiz. Here you will get 48. Yeah, correct. 48. So endi qarang bizga 4 ta manifold areasini berib qo'ygan. It was pyramid square piramida bo'lsa. Ya'ni bu to'g'risi qanaqa bo'lib qoldi? hayti bo'lsa 96, bu yoqda haytlar. Biz areasini topishimiz uchun triangle-ni, triangle-ni. You have to divide the first value 99 84 divided by 4. 4 ni qayerdan oldim? Chunki bizda bitta berib qo'ygan for ultra faces deb. Buni divide qiladigan bo'lsak, you will get 84 divided by 4. So bizda mana areamiz 2496 bo'lar ekan. Okay, men уже areani bilaman. Qani, biz yer topgan uchun men aytdim, mana formulani ishlatib ketaman. Bu mana shu imенно shu mana shu aytayotgan right triangle piramidaga mos formulasi. Mana literal surface area formulasi. 1/2 PC. PC'sida bu yerda уже base bo'lish kerak. Alfamidasimiz. Qarang. Bu yerga yozasiz areasiniki 496 tilda qo'ying. 1/2 bo'lgan bizda base ko'paytiramiz 96 bo'lgan bo'lsa. Then you have to find our slide height. Men F yozaman. Guys, slide height degani bu sizni piramidangiz yon tomonlari equal slide height. Men o'zi 52 ni topib oldim. Endi qarang, menda hammasi bor. Menda side bor. Menda slide height ham bor. Oxiri height topish uchun you have to use Pythagore formula. Guys, Pythagore formulasini bilasizmi? Guys, who don't know Pythagore formula? Mana Pythagore bor edi. A plus B bu ham triangle bo'lgani uchun you can use this Pythagore formula to find our height. So qarang, bizda hozir right square tuzib olsam, men o'zi bilaman slide heightim 52. Mana bu bitta tarafi 48 ni bo'yi 96 ni taqsim qilgan 2 qildim. Bir height. Mana shuni heightini topish uchun men Pythagore formulasini ishlatishim kerak. You write on decimus. Firstly, bu yerda yozilgan bo'lsa, by hand h square plus 48 square and равно 52. Qani shuni decimalga qanday yozamiz? You write as hash равно sqrt 52 plus square minus, chunki bu 48 ni bu o'g'irib minus qilib, you write 48 and 2. So it means, guys, our height will be just 20. Guys, is it coachable for you? Guys, this kind of question will appear on your module 2 question. Yeah, this one. So we have limited time on our Zoom, unfortunately. Guys, this is the last slide. I hope you like the last slide. And this one. Thanks for guys joining to our day lesson. No refunds, but you got knowledge somehow, I guess. And right now, guys, you're now 1% smarter. Use it wisely. If you like the lesson, you can write me. You can write on the comments on the our beautiful channel. And please don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Pretty and with pink color. Yes, girls? And thank you for everyone. Yeah. So, if you need, guys, recording, put your reactions and maybe I will send a recording. So again, thank you for everyone. Bye-bye for